Hey friends, if you wish to enable and use quick access in Firefox browser on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. And it's quite easy. Simply open Firefox and then type the words about config here. Okay, I will show you. You'll have to type about config and hit enter. Click on accept the risk and continue. Now in this pane, in the search bar, you will have to type this word browser.urlbar.quickactions.enabled. I'll share it in the description section of the video. Okay, and hit enter. Now the value will be false by default and it may say at times boolean or something. Whatever it says, just click on this symbol here, the backforth symbol, and make it true. Your problem will be solved. You have enabled to use quick actions on the Firefox browser, and obviously you will have to restart it after that. Okay, and now you will be able to use quick actions. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.